Coin audio discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can purchase some Coin audio headphones. So let's get into it. So before I begin, there is a link in the description below, so make sure you check that link out. Along with the link, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on your checkout page so that you can save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website. You can click the link and it'll take you to the website, and here you can see you have all these different options. Underneath the headphones at the top, you can see you have all these different types of options. You've got noise canceling headphones, noise canceling earbuds, bestseller option, bulk order, speaker, whatever, right? And then you can just simply select whatever you want, hit the add to cart button, and it'll be added to your cart over here, as you can see right here in this cart button. Then this is the page how it would look like. Here you can go ahead and either click on the checkout page or the PayPal, go ahead and quickly pay for it. But if you click on the checkout page, here on the checkout page you can add the discount codes that you can find in the description below and save yourself a pretty large sum of money. So make sure you check that out, and then just fill out this contact form, add your payment method, you're good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.